In this video, I'm going to show you how to fasten off in crochet. And first of all, what does fastening off mean? And what is it used for? So fastening off is essentially a technique where you create a knot in the yarn so that your yarn will be secure. That way, after you finish crocheting your nice beautiful piece, if someone tugs on the yarn any which way, the yarn will actually stay together and not unravel. So let's say that you have just finished your crochet piece and you're at this point. So you finish your last stitch, you have just one loop on your hook because you've just finished that stitch, and then to fasten off you're going to yarn over and pull that yarn through the loop that's on your hook. And just so that you don't lose your spot, I would recommend pulling the yarn into a big loop before you take your hook out, because you're going to grab your scissors and cut this into a yarn tail. So assuming that this is the end of your piece, and what you're going to do is weave in your yarn tails, you should usually leave about a 6-inch yarn tail. So I'm going to cut it here. And then I'm going to finish off by pulling the yarn all the way through. And so now you have a nice knot in your yarn.